Toyota has been the only real outsider brave enough to challenge Detroit's truck dominance. For years, the company kept stealing attention in different segments, building a reputation for durability and smart engineering. But now, the Japanese automaker might be ready to go all in. A 2027 Tundra Heavy Duty isn't just random forum talk anymore. The standard half-tonner already proved that Toyota can compete in this realm. So the next logical step is a move into heavy-duty territory and take on the big boys where it really counts. We've been hearing more and more about this project, from supplier hints to insider chatter, and the pieces are starting to line up. Stick with us and learn why the Tundra Heavy Duty doesn't seem like a dream anymore. It sounds like a serious move that could shake up the whole truck market. V8 engine comeback. Toyota tried something bold with the turbo V6 in the current Tundra. It was an efficient, modern, and technically impressive engine. But let's be honest, it rubbed some fans the wrong way. People bought a Tundra expecting a truck that feels big and capable, and a six-cylinder just didn't deliver that rumble under the hood vibe. Despite recalls and other problems, the automaker can't abandon the V6. They'll keep it, tweak it, retune it, and try to win back trust. But here's the thing, hardcore truck fans aren't satisfied with just a V6. They want a proper truck engine. Toyota is listening and answering. V8 is making a comeback, but not in the standard Tundra. It's reserved for the heavy-duty model that needs a muscle-bound heart. The power plant will be a refined version of the old unit, but now cleaner, more efficient, and tuned to match what the big three offer in the 25 and 3500 segment. But of course, there's a catch. Diesel engine. If Toyota truly wants to play in the deep end, there's no way around it. The Tundra HD needs a real oil burner built to tow north of 30,000 pounds. That's the territory where heavy-duty trucks earn their reputation. Toyota has teased diesel ideas before. There were rumors, concepts, but in the half-ton and mid-size realm, it never happened. This time, it feels different. Heavy-duty buyers expect diesel torque and long-haul durability. And here's where the Japanese company has something up its sleeve. Hino Motors. This isn't some random supplier. It's Toyota's commercial truck arm, and they've been building rigs around the world for decades. Proven diesel platforms and a real work truck DNA. That's Toyota's Joker car. If the Tundra Heavy Duty adds a Hino-developed turbo diesel, properly tuned for North America, suddenly this truck isn't just Toyota trying heavy duty. It becomes a legitimate threat. A V8 brings the emotion. A diesel brings credibility. When will we see the Tundra HD? Nothing here is official yet. Toyota isn't the type to leak plans that could shake up the entire truck segment. They're working quietly, behind the scenes, keeping the competition guessing, and leaving no room for a counterpunch. That's why there's no press release, no teaser video, no hint anywhere. But when they do pull the curtain back, it's going to grab attention. The industry, enthusiasts, and buyers alike will stop and take notice. Expect the first whispers and subtle hints by the end of the year, with a proper reveal not far behind. When it finally shows up, it won't just be another truck. It could change how we see heavy-duty pickups altogether.